Can't do anything about this. Habagat. So this is still the same storm that was about to leave, and it's still lingering, and it's causing this monsoon rains. The storm is not here in Manila, but in north. Anyway, let's just head out and buy our food. Now I've become concerned about these branches. So if you see any unusual overhanging branch, so if you look up and see precarious looking branches, stay away from it. Don't want it to fall over your head. You know what's so unusual? I've only just started, and I think my socks are now wet. Huh. Now that's really weird. Everything looks peaceful and quiet outside. Interesting. But I don't think I said the date. July 10. July 10. I wonder what July 10 last year was. Was it also wet like this? Or was I cycling? Look at this chopped off hill. I also think about how precarious those houses are at the edge. If that retaining wall give way, oh man, damn, that's gonna be bad. It happened before. But that was what, over 20 years ago when that happened, and they fixed up the retaining wall. Now I'm talking about the retaining wall giving way, but luckily at that time I don't think there were as many houses as it is now, so that's putting up a lot of pressure at the top of the hill. So I don't know whether the retaining wall is designed for all that pressure. Look at the weather right now. You'd think, or maybe if you look at the morning right now, you'd think it's still early morning. Well, it is early morning, but it's almost 6 o'clock in the morning. Amazing. It looks like 5:30 or something. Oh man, my legs are killing me. Unbelievable. One of those days, eh? And the rain was sort of subsiding earlier. Getting changed. It's like this weather is going to be this way the whole day. So we'll just keep our walk short and simple. Oh, look at that. Well, finally made it. And on time. Oh. Very few people today. And obviously the Zumba is postponed. No classes today. Break the cycle. Wonder what they're advertising. Break the cycle. Maybe what they mean is recycle. Look at how busy that portion is. Wow, wow. So, shall we climb up the bridge? Much traffic going up. Okay. Back both sides. Look at the traffic at the other side. Oh man, that's really bad. That's bad. I think I got a hole on my umbrella. Dripping on my head. Amazing. The road is really, really wet. Thinking about buying meat. But the thing is, when you buy those things, you still have to buy the other ingredients. So peaceful and quiet. And why can't these people stay that way? Bulk order. Turn left. But today we'll turn right. That cat is lost. I wonder if there were leaks in their houses. Okay. Yeah, we will just keep going This way. Everything looks interesting so far. Ikazia. Basketball court. That woman has a big lump on her neck. Temple Street. Oh, Raymond. Must be oh, okay. That's really weird. Oh. It shows you, never been here before. Okay, there's a very narrow passage. Oh wow. Okay, maybe the other one is a little bit wider. Is this wider? Wow. How can people live here? Crazy. Unbelievable. Damn. I had to, okay, just to show you the condition of this place. Oh, wow. Damn. But we gotta whatever provides shelter. People have been living in worse conditions, so this is a lot better. Oh wow. Unbelievable, I'm back. Huh. I'm back. Huh. So this is where I came out from. Oh wow. Huh. You know, there's no problem walking through those alleys. The problem is, you gotta have small umbrellas. Not a good day for car wash. But as soon as the rain stops, wow, they're going to be deluged by a lot of cars. Really like to stop and take a picture. So nice. Found it. In this kind of condition, you'd rather be home and dry. Golly. It'll be nice to be home, drinking a hot cup of cocoa or coffee, and crispy chicken chimichurri burger. Buy one, take one. Interesting. That store selling banana, but they don't have. Oh wow, the fish vendor isn't here. Yeah. morning. So the fish vendor is here. He's just hiding on the shade. Come on. That woman slipped. Oh man. Look what he's done to the ball. And he's planted some plants. Nice. Nice. Good concept. Oregano. We also offer transient rooms. Yeah, they have a front desk and it's got Chinese sign. Everybody loves their ice cream. That is a very popular brand. Big Scoop. I see it all over the place. I wonder if we could check out who manufactures Big Scoop. So what would you rather buy? A can of water? Or a bottle of water? Or a bottle of Coke? Bottle of Coke costs 15 bucks. And a bottle of water costs the same. I think I'll just go for the Coke. But then, I don't know. I don't understand why a bottle of water costs that much. This is just a small bottle of water. What's happening here? That driver is having a difficult time. What looks like parking. Don't think he should be living here. Trash bag available here. So yesterday, I was at the grocery, about to buy a gallon of alcohol, isopropyl alcohol, and it was 500 bucks. So I changed my mind, said I'll check Lazada first. So I did, and I got home, and turns out that a gallon of isopropyl in Lazada is only less than 200. Unbelievable. And they're both the same, 70% pure. 70% alcohol. When you look at all the stuff they're selling for kids, amazing. All the carbs. Back in my day, you still had the local snacks, but all the other snacks were slowly coming in, and now it's taken over. More varieties, but they're all carbs. Look at all this santol on the ground. Wow. I didn't know that santol was already on season. They're just falling off the tree. So there's this American guy who checks carinderias out. But the one thing you'll notice, most of these carinderias open late afternoon. Interesting. Let's see if we could find any carinderias here. That used to be Palpitate. Now it's gone. And it's moved to I think Antipolo. Yeah. It's like Antipolo or Angono. And they are on a overlooking area. Wow, it keeps on thunder and lightning. What a busy road. Imagine how beautiful this place could have been if it was properly developed. Oh well. Let's walk here. Find a carinderia. And I hope we get some decent food. Commercial space for lease. What a busy place. If I got my food and banana yet. Nope. Haven't yet. What is selling pancit palabok and some other stuff. I ended up buying pancit palabok and lumpia. Not bad. Let's see. I hope the lumpia is as good as what I used to buy. Oh man. Banana. The last thing I need is banana. Looks like I might end up buying banana at the store beside our subdivision. Well, at least we now have our meal. Gonna be good for a rainy day. Gentleman's Barbershop. Lakatan Community. Oh, my hands will smell like a vinegar. A sign that says, Bawal ang bastos. Means rude people are not allowed. Now will I remember about the stores? It's on this tree and see how it's snapped off. Oh man. Oh wow. Look at all those fruits. Ah, nice.